This is why I think you should not waste your vote on Peter Obi in 2027. And I would explain why. Before you come and drag me, listen and pay attention, okay? Someone made a post on Instagram saying that Amechi, Atiku, Goodluck Jonathan should not contest the election. Abba, Nigeria. That they should not contest the election, that they just want to waste time. That if they are going to contest, then if it's not Peter Obi, that they should just leave it for, Asiwaju to complete his 8th tenure. Yeah? I don't understand though. I don't understand how this obedience, how people are feeling. When you see politics, don't do politics based on what you see on social media. Elections are not won on Twitter and on Facebook or Instagram. Now, who they swear in be president to, not be who win for your compound or for your streets. So when I made a comment, I commented, okay, so if you don't want Atiku, you don't want Goodluck, you don't want Amechi, you don't want El-Rufai to contest for presidency, who do you want? Peter Obi? And now look at the comments. One person said, yes, we want Peter Obi because he is the only one that built organic followership among the 2023 contestants aside Kwankwaso. Hello, sir. Listening to me, most of us supported Peter Obi because of the repercussions of the rubbish things the former administration, what's his name? What's this man's name that just died? Buhari. That Buhari did. And because Bola Ahmed Tinubu was affiliated to Buhari. See, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is playing the real African and democratic politics. That's what that guy is doing. He understood the games, he knows how to negotiate, and he sees beyond just that immediate time. That's the difference between Bola and those other politicians. Another person that contests and say, yes, Obi is the best person that can save us out of this. One person, we need Alex Oti. Hello? How na the guy see this Peter Obi safe? I don't understand now. How na the guy see this Peter Obi? Let me tell you why you should not waste your vote on Peter Obi in 2027. See, Peter Obi is a nice guy. He's a good guy. You remember what Shatima said? Nice people don't make good leaders. Now, I'll explain to you. Now, he might be very disciplined, understood economics and whatever he's doing. But when it comes to leadership, at that aspect, let's use Labour Party as a case study. You see the chaos and everything going on in Labour Party from the day one. I know all of you come here and start blaming what's called Apapa and what's the other name, Agariga, what's that other man name with one eye. Start blaming those people. But you have to own it. People love you organically because we loved Peter Obi because of we are tired. Nigerians are frustrated. And then he was telling us what we want to hear. He was giving us numbers, giving us those gists that we want to hear. But in real sense, that's not what you used to go and win election. It's not those numbers you are giving us, or those sweet things. So one of the major reasons why you should not waste your vote on Peter Obi in 2027 is that Peter Obi came online and said that he's going to be president for 4 years. Do you know what it takes to be president? Do you know what it means to be president? He said he's going to be president for just 4 years. So me and you now, let's be sincere. Me and you, between me and you now, do you think that Peter Obi can change Nigeria in 4 years? Peter Obi cannot change Nigeria in 4 years. He can't. He can't. There is no space for him to even do that self, to change Nigeria in 4 years. Where you want to start from? Peter Obi can't change Nigeria in 4 years. Hello, sir. Obi can't change Nigeria in 4 years. Let's be sincere. Let's stop playing emotional game with this whole thing. Obi can't change Nigeria in 4 years. No, Obi can't even win Asiwaju. Asiwaju, a man who took 30 years preparing to be president. One shot, he collected it. Power is not given. It's collected. You have to collect it. On Obi, want to make the whole Nigeria see him as saints, then carry the team. Say, yeah, Obi, we know that you are the one that was sent from heaven to come and restore Nigeria from this dilemma. Come and take presidency. Nobody else should challenge him because he's a good one that knows the economy, that understands how things work. Hello, sir. This big country, this Nigeria that we are living in, you think we will just carry this thing and give to you because your name is Obi? Because you say you're a good man? Because you have not stealing government money before we should give you? Oh, it doesn't work like that, sir. It doesn't work like that, sir. If Obi becomes president in 2027, Obi no will do anything. Only the cabal, the people that will give, even me and you, fellow Nigerians, now we go still drag Obi because the workload is too much. Hello, sir. Obi doesn't have that structure. He has relationship, network, business-wise, for his personal benefit and growth, not to serve this Nigeria. This Nigeria, everybody, they kolo. This country is not okay. This country needs a mad person, someone that the head is going gwa 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 gwa. control it. I'm telling you, in 2027, let me tell you something. In my own opinion, if Goodluck Jonathan is coming out, I will support Goodluck Jonathan against Bat. But if Goodluck is not coming out, I will support Bat against every other person. There is no other better candidate that is better than Bat right now. Is it Atiku? I don't know what Atiku is looking for. Amechi is here for revenge. People who come for revenge don't make good leaders, even if they get it. Goodluck Jonathan had the opportunity to come for revenge. He just lock up shield. People are saying that we don't want a president that whenever we are hurting will leave us run. Do you know the sacrifice he made for that purpose, for Buhari to come in? Do you know the sacrifice for your own life as Nigerians? You people voted against him now. The rig election. You people voted against him. And then you don't want a president that when things hard, you go leave us run come out. Or you like the one that when things hard, you go look on at the shop shaking for inside your house, they laugh. You don't want a president that when things hard, you go leave us run come out. Hello? Stop that. I will support Bat against every other person, except if Goodluck Jonathan is coming. That's when I will support Goodluck against Bat. Because, see, when we want to look at the reality, the only person that has structure to win Bat out there is Goodluck. Atiku cannot win Bat. 20 Obi cannot win Bat. El-Rufai, 50 El-Rufai cannot win Bat. El-Rufai can only win North and be president in North. Cannot win Bat. He can't win Bat. So instead of wasting your vote on Peter Obi, you should advise Peter Obi to look for a way and arrange himself and get working somewhere. Now, all of them, coalition. Amechi wants ticket, Atiku wants ticket. Who again? Other people looking for a ticket. Now, but Obi doesn't want the ticket. Obi wants them to come together and carry the ticket and give to him as angel. Because why? He is the most productive, most eloquent, most brilliant, most handsome. He's the savior. He's Jesus Christ of Nigeria. So they should just carry the ticket and give to him. So already, the coalition is a dead on arrival project. If he goes back to Labour Party to go and contest, Labour Party, what they will do to him this time, he will do like this, and he will sweat. Labour Party, if you want to contest for cause rep in your community, don't use Labour Party. Labour Party, everybody in Labour Party is hungry. See, they will rip you everywhere. That's how Labour Party is. Even the one that what's his name? Their Oga is doing is small. If you go to the world level, if you see what their world chairman, state chairman, LG chairman are doing, they are hungry. And literally every Labour Party member is a member of another party. They are just staffs of other party. So if Obi goes back to Labour Party, he will not still win. Would he want to go to PDP? PDP have zoned their ticket to South. I heard that they're offering him to come to PDP and become or be vice to Goodluck or something. Let him just accept it and lock up. He will not see presidency. Your Messiah will not see presidency. Peter Obi will not see presidency. Not now. All in Igbo brothers don't even allow themselves. Those ones with the National Assembly and this thing, they don't even allow him. He will not see. So instead of wasting your vote on Peter Obi, support Bat. Or waste the vote on Atiku. Atiku will not win. So I'm not even counting Atiku in. For itself. I'm telling you, don't waste your vote to 2027. Don't waste your vote.